चलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखते हैं ABCD A to Z तक। चलो बोलो। A for apple, apple माने सेब। B for ball, ball माने गेंद। C for cat, cat means बिल्ली। D for dog, dog means कुत्ता। E for elephant, elephant means हाथी। F for fish, fish means मछली। G for grapes, grapes means अंगूर। H for hen, hen means मुर्गी। I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream। J for jug, jug means jug। K for kite, kite means patang। L for lion, lion means शेर।